Hi friends, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to themes, and here select any theme. Steady selling themes available, and here click on my stuff. No, click on top and here select free, so you can select free themes here. I would like to select this and click on download. Agree, it will be downloaded, just wait few seconds. Yes, completing download, just wait, click on apply, and the selected wallpaper will be selected theme will be applied to your phone. See the changes. Applying theme, yes, applied. Yes, theme has been changed to what I have selected. Again I go to the settings and go to themes, click on featured and click on my stuff. And if you want to set back to default theme, just select it and click on apply. In this way also you can set back to default theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. So you can select from the variety of wallpapers that are freely available, or if you want to stay back to default wallpaper, default theme, not wallpaper here, default theme, yes, you can do it. So as per your wish, you can get any theme for your phone. Paid theme is also available there. See here, I go to settings, I show it now. Go to settings and go to themes, and click on top. This is free, paid also available. Okay, so paid themes are some premium themes, and it looks professionally, and you can use any of them by paying some amount to the Samsung. Okay, it cost 49 rupees. Before that you can use trial. Click on download trial and click on download. For that you go to sign in with the Google account. To download trial, you go to sign in to Google account. It will ask all permissions. Two-step verification is also asking. So it's a longer process. Just I stop it now. The similar way, just sign in completely and use download trial, and after only it will stay only up to 2 minutes or 5 minutes. After that it will automatically disappear. If you really like that theme, then you can just pay rupees 49 and you can permanently use it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.